Hi, my name is Ben Pig from Woby Design, and I make things out of recycled skateboards. A couple months ago, I actually made a skateboard out of broken skateboards. Let me show you what happened.
Let's do a shove. Oh no!
So, as you can see, it broke, and I was actually kind of expecting that because why else would I have a bunch of broken skateboards in my shop and decided to make things out of broken skateboards? It breaks. No big deal. So we're gonna try this one more time, and this time it's gonna be a little bit different. Instead of using all 7 layers of recycled skateboard veneers, I'm only using 4. 2 of these are gonna be the face veneers, 2 of these will be the cross-grain veneers, and the rest I'm going to be using regular Canadian maple veneers. And hopefully this will make it a little bit stronger and make it better. Another thing that I'm going to try to do a little different is instead of using my bottle jack press, I'm going to be using this vacuum bag by Roll Rocket. It comes with this mold, comes with this pump, and when you suck all the air out of the bag, it should form and have a good bent laminated skateboards.
Vacuum bags, which are on the way, and once those show up, that's what I'm going to use to clamp these down and do the bent lamination. But these are going to look good. Better than Woby's board, at least. Ooh.
Paul, you want to play games? Let's play games. Before gluing up these veneers, you want to make sure everything is prepped. You have about 10 minutes of open time using Typhon 3. So you want to make sure everything goes smoothly and you're not stopping at any point and ruining your bent laminated skateboards. Let's see how this goes. Here we go. Into the bag, put in the mesh. Once you have your mold in there, you want to take this adhesive backing off, save it, because you're going to reuse this. Put it inside the bag. You're going to make sure the seal is tight. And looks good. Suck majority of the air out using a shop vac. Gonna make sure to stretch out your bag. Stretch out the bag so it doesn't creep up into the mold. Like I said, you have to make sure the bags don't go inside and in between the veneers. So make sure to pull it out, and it's strong enough and you can pull it out, it's not going to rip the bag. Okay, and then you're going to pump. I'm sweating. Okay. Looks good. Oh yeah. We're good, baby. Yeah! So I have it in the bag, all the air is sucked out, and what you want to do is come back every 15 minutes and give it a couple more pumps and make sure it's completely sealed. We're gonna let this dry for 8 hours in the bag, and then we can start shaping it and do whatever we have to do. Cool? Came out really nice.
I can do anything better than you. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Anything you can be, I can be greater. Sooner or later, I'm greater than
You see, everybody, Woby made a board. How cute. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's three. Oh, there's four. He's adorable, isn't he?
No.
You want it?
No, I don't want it.
You want it?
I don't want it. Ew.
Eat it.
No, I'm so cold.
Eat it.
Not? You're spilling.
Okay, so it's been about 2 days since I glued this up. So now it's time to take it out of the mold, see what happens. Just damage that, cover it back up so you can reuse the seal again. And if it gets messed up, there's always replacement, so you could always replace it. You're good, baby. Oh, here we go. Came out really nice. This came out really, really nice. And just as I expected it, it's still a little wet. So we have to let it dry for a couple days, and then we're gonna start working on it. Wow. Woo! Alright, let's let it dry for a couple days. Wow.
The Roarikit battle continues. Guys, first coat of finish is done. My camera on my phone's not going to do these justice, so I'm going to take a bunch of photos now with my real camera and just like post a million stories. So just wait. Just wait, just like I've been waiting for Woby!
What did you just say?
So you think you just made a couple skateboards and now you think you're all cute? That's pretty cute.
It's time!
What's up, Paul Jackman? What you got? Do a pop shove it.
How does it compare to the first one that you rode?
Didn't break.